Good enough. Whoa, that was a good one.
Oh, you alright? Something else.
It's all happening tonight.
Maybe Dad, maybe. Yeah, I got that. Yep. Wait, the one over there?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I got that. Dad, I feel bad for Ivy. Dad, I feel bad for Amy, Ivy, and Eve. Oh,
That was cool.
got that one, Dad.
Did you?
Yep. Yes.
Oh, nice. That's here.
They're so loud.
Oh, that was a good one.
This is pretty good.
Don't get this in your package, I would have been lonely.
Who's it running across the no roof bit first?
Is that no roof?
You. Wait.
Wait a minute, no. See if there's no roof bit. No.
Just stay up a little.
You staying with me? Oh, Mom, you see that one really close?
Yeah.
I got that one. Can we go over to that?
Yeah. Turn it up.
Huh? Why?
And then start again and get in.
Oh, stuck in this. Carry on.
Oh.
Got that one.
No, you need to look. Get to your dad quick.
Where is it?
That's impressive.
Get your video on here, Joey.
What? Okay.
Where?
Who was that here? Yeah, I'm freaking out.
That was impressive.
Whoa!
I'm good, I'm going off.
I think that place is getting freaked out more than me. Was right.
Another one.